Good Sunday morning, y'all. It is Sunday, July 12th, 2026. It's super dark. There we go. Now the lighting is... It's super dark. We have a really bad storm coming. They said a supercell is coming. So there could be a possible tornado or whatnot. So it's pretty dark and it's humid and it's still and it looks green, and so here we go with that. We weren't supposed to get storms today, but they showed up. I gotta take my little thing in from up on the deck. I don't want it to get destroyed. So yeah, I'm just checking in on this Sunday. I uploaded last night. You can hear the thunder. So I'm gonna go and do that, and I will check in with y'all later. The sky is literally green right now. It doesn't show up good in the camera, but the sky is green. I won't be surprised if we get a tornado. Yeah, that sky is green right there. There's a green tinge to that. It's really dark. This is what it looks like in person. Just super dark. Green. Scary.
vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Marquette, Ishpeming, Presque Isle, Negaunee, Little Presque Isle, West Ishpeming, Trowbridge Park, Harvey, Palmer, National Mine, and Sugarloaf Mountain. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Marquette, Northwestern Schoolcraft, and Alger counties p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near K.I. Sawyer Airport, or 15 miles south of Marquette, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rock, Trenary, K.I. Sawyer Airport, Scandia, McFarland, Sundle, Lathrop, Little Lake, Kiva, Diffin, Carlsbad, and Tronic. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Marquette, Northwestern Schoolcraft, and Alger counties will expire at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hey all, welcome to the vlog. So it's about 4:03 now. All of a sudden it was sunny and then boom, a storm just came in. The wind was so strong it blew everything. Everything is just blowing around. So I'm hunkered down in the shed because it's thundering. The wind is super wicked. So I don't know if we're getting a tornado. Oh, the kids are here just in time for the tornado. Just in time for the tornado, they're here. We might all be taking cover. Oh boy. It definitely cooled off outside and it's nice. It dropped down like crazy. It is 69 out right now. It went from 81 to 69 in like a minute. And here comes the rain. It like turned to night in an instant. I don't think the kids are staying long. Well, I'm gonna hide in here, I guess. So I'll chat with y'all later. Yeah, it's getting really bad all of a sudden. Ooh, 1 second. We've been getting some really scary weather lately. I think we're in for a tornado. The sky is that green again. And when I tell you this storm came out of nowhere, it came out of nowhere. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm just gonna stay in here and pray for the best. I got some new kitchen scissors. But I think I have some. I do. So I'll keep those until... Oh God, look at it out there. Ooh-wee. I hope things don't go flying. Yeah, it's not a good day today. well, my laundry is just going to be done a little later. I mean, you should see the amount of laundry I have. And I just keep adding it to my bed, and mounds of laundry because I don't have a dresser. Oh gosh, look at it out here. Good Thursday morning, y'all. It is Thursday, July 16th, 2026. Again, this vlog is going to be everywhere because it's been busy. I gotta paint in here today. When I'm gonna find time to do that is beyond me. But I will paint in here. Oh yeah, there's shit all over this. Yeah, I gotta paint in here again. Everything is a mess. But yeah, so we have a horrible air quality. The smoke is so thick. So not only did we have, we were in the hundreds for days with the heat. It was horrible. I ended up getting sick the other night because the heat. The air conditioning couldn't keep up with it, and it was just terrible. But now it's cool. You can't even open the windows. And it looks horrible. It's like the end of the world out there right now. It's super bad. Super bad. I slept in my recliner chair last night because I couldn't sleep in my bed. It is horrible out there. They said this is the worst air quality we've ever seen. They said it's been and then we're supposed to get severe weather tomorrow night into Saturday. So hopefully that blows whatever this is away. Literally, it is horrid out there right now. It is just orange and it's ugly. It's not horrible. We've had this before. Oh, I have to clean. I have to do some cleaning in here today. It's a horrible mess. But yeah, so yeah, we are surviving, I guess you can call it. Doing the best we can, despite the horrible weather. Despite the horrible cards we've been dealt with. One of my pictures fell off the wall, so now I gotta figure out something to do with this glass. Just gonna go in the old shed for now. Oh. It is horrible out here, guys. I mean, you can see it. Just horrible. And the ashes are everywhere. You can't breathe even if you tried. So yeah, it's gonna be quite the day today. Good evening, everybody. It's a little after 9 now. The neighbors just left. I think we're gonna do a game night and taco bar next week. So that'll be fun. And then it's party time already. I think we're gonna do that for my birthday. My birthday's next week? Yeah, next Wednesday. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So that's that. I'm tired. It's finally going to be a nice weekend to just relax. It's very smoky out here, as you can see behind me. But yeah, we had a fun evening. It's been a crazy busy day for me. Tomorrow is just going to be a relaxing day. I ain't doing much. The big party is next Saturday, okay? So a week from tomorrow. I'm like, oh God. Nobody's let me know anything yet. So I don't care. Nobody's probably gonna show up, but we'll see. Maybe I'll be surprised like last year. I think last year was just a pity party, literally, because everybody felt bad for how down I was, but whatever. So I think I'll have them come Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday is gonna be prep days for everything. I gotta take the ham out. I gotta do a lot of stuff. I gotta get a tin from the dollar store. Then I think I'm gonna order a dozen mini pasties. I'm gonna make the order ahead of time, and then I will do that whole thing. I shouldn't be walking in this weather, but I need to walk. I haven't been walking lately. And it's supposed to storm tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna lay around. I started a list of party stuff, but and I don't know what people are bringing. But yeah, so that's it for this week's vlog. Again, it was kind of a weird vlog. Very weird. But so yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to log off and we will start a whole new week tomorrow. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good evening.